Hey everybody, and thank you for joining me. My name is BJ Blackburn, and today we're going to walk through your initial account setup. And this video is going to focus on if you already have a domain at a different registrar. We're going to show you how to get that set up. It's super easy, and we'll show you how quick you can get your site going. All right, so if you're on the main website, you can easily navigate to your account portal, and once you click these links, you'll see that you go to billing.bjblackburn.com, and you'll notice the interface is a little bit different. This is how you know that you're on the account side, so you're kind of like on the back end of the site. First things first, you want to find your hosting services. So once you get to the hosting section, you're going to see these three options: the launch starter, the hosting plus, and the business hosting. And depending on what you need, how many sites, you can decide which package is going to be best. And we can help with that too. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Each package is going to have a dedicated IP address, so that's not going to change. And it's going to be good for different things like do email campaigns, as long as you're not spamming people, because if you're spamming people, then we will take that privilege away. But you can still get your emails out. You can get a good email deliverability score, which we'll be covering in another video, so on and so forth. So you really do have a dedicated IP that comes at no additional charge for your account. With the setup, you get the best really of both worlds. You're going to have an IP address that won't change, and you still get the prices of a regular shared hosting account. Okay, with the three packages, regardless of which one you pick, you're going to get the Litespeed Web Servers Premium. You're going to get the Cloudflare CDN with Railgun. You're going to get the Litespeed Cache optimized for WordPress, and you're still going to get all the one-click installations. So when you need to look at making a choice to get a higher package, you're going to want to think about your disk space that you're going to use, your bandwidth that you're going to use. So a couple things that could impact that is going to be if you have an online store with a big catalog, if you have a membership website with videos and lots of images, and if you want to have more than one site. So the basic comes with one site, which is unlimited pages. So if you just have one site to make, that's perfect to start out. When it's time to upgrade, you can upgrade. Another way we're unique is we're not going to limit your site if you do get more traffic than planned for, or you use more disk space than you thought. You're going to be good to go. So this is good because you can go over. There's not going to be any hidden fees. You already know what the next price tier is, and we can adjust it the following month. Other reasons why we crush it for small business: free SSL, you get Jet Backup Suite, tons of functions. You get Email Deliverability Pro, so you can get out of that spam box. The premium packages, you're getting more websites, disk space, bandwidth, and you're getting total root level access. Something to consider if you are an aspiring techie or do-it-yourself kind of person. This is something that you might be interested in, because you're going to have full cPanel access, the whole 9 yards. In addition, we're talking about 20 email accounts free, middle package, unlimited on the business. And as a special offer right now, I'm going to do this. For any hosting package that signs up for a year, I'm going to include a free domain name on me, no strings attached, good for 1 year. Now the business package, you are going to be unlimited, unmetered on your bandwidth. Get the free domain. You can have unlimited websites. You're going to have unlimited email, unlimited subdomains. Also, for a limited time, if you get a business hosting, there's no charge for doing any kind of setup. So if you have a domain already and you need things configured and your DNS records updated, I'm going to do that for free for our business customers. Okay? So we'll get started. Once you choose the hosting package that you like, you're going to get this option right here as far as what you're going to do about your domain name, so the name of your website. There's going to be three options, and that is to buy one, transfer one, or use your existing. So if you have an existing domain, I would recommend that you transfer it to your new hosting account. I highly recommend doing this if you have a domain already, because all your setup, your SSL certificate, you're going to have way less steps to take to get everything set up and running. Okay, so for this example, we're going to go through the process like we have a domain already that we purchased from a different registrar. So I'm going to enter the domain name here, chakracorner.com, and I'm going to enter that. It's going to verify it. Then it's going to take me to this checkout page, which again is going to list everything that's included, like the Litespeed web server that is premium. We pay extra for that, and it can be up to 10 times faster than regular servers. You're going to see the Cloudflare CDN with the business Railgun features like email. We don't charge for that. Unlike other competitors, GoDaddy, most hosting accounts, we include that for free. You get your own custom email. SSL certificates, free. Those are included and installed for you. Okay, Weebly Site Builder free edition is included, but we do have you set up for WordPress. Not hard to see why we are the #1 small business cloud hosting solution. We have a lot of tutorials on building a WordPress site, so you can pretty much with no tech skills, we can show you and teach you how to do that. Code Guard, so that's just some more things for security. Same with SiteLock. Spam Experts, email security. You know, we have a lot of that included with this package, so I wouldn't add it. You don't have to. There's no reason. As much as I would love to upsell, there's no reason to. Okay, I would recommend checking out MarketGo SEO tools, at least the light edition. When you get started out, they can give you a quick boost in SEO and get your site optimized. Also, the last section here is for the spam assassin for your blog. So content on your website where you encourage people to leave a comment. This will get spammed by different things like bots and whatnot that crawl the web and want to post links on your website to get them more backlinks and pretty much just spam up the internet. A lot of times it's going to be for things like mail enhancement, pills, and different stuff like that. But I recommend doing it. This is a one-time charge of like $8, totally worth it. Definitely get it. You'll be set and glad you did it. Okay, that wraps it up. So next up is going to look at your client portal. We're going to get you logged in there, show you around a little bit, get you the basic install to your website, and you're going to be live here in no time. So make sure you stay with us and check out the next video.